Hi everyone, Nicole here from my Pandora Charm Life. Today I answer a very important question. To mesh or not to mesh? That is the question. Obviously I chose the mesh bracelets, but stay tuned for a closer look as to what I like about these mesh bracelets, how I style them, and why it took me so long to even get one in the first place. Okay, so as you can see, I have two of Pandora's mesh bracelets. I have one in silver, then I recently got the rose gold one. Here's the thing I did not know about these bracelets. I did not know that they were bangle-like. For some reason, just looking at the texture, I assumed that they would be more flexible and more soft, and for some reason that was a turn-off for me. But once I actually got my hands on these and checked them out, I loved the flexibility of them. They're actually way sturdier than I would have ever imagined. So that was a win for me. So then my next question was, do I wear them plain as a simple stack with no charms, or do I throw some charms on here? So I've done both, and the verdict is I actually like to style them like I would style my bangles. I love for them to have a little bit of charms on there. I don't like to overdo my bangles, so I approach this the same way, just minimal charms. What I ended up creating, and this is what I'm really excited to tell you guys about, is I created a bracelet that I am calling my Pandora Charm Life. So this bangle is going to be she's brushing. Okay, hold on. Time out really quick. She stole my Pandora cleaning toothbrush and is using the toothbrush to brush her little figurine's teeth. And now I think she might be eating the toothpaste, so 1 second. So I'm really excited. I think that this bracelet is going to go beautifully paired with my work-inspired bracelet that I just recently redid, but I'm really happy. We'll get a close-up look at this bracelet and why it's what I landed on being called my Pandora Charm Life bracelet. Back to the Pandora Rose. When I originally got this bracelet, I thought I was going to pair it with the silver Pandora logo charm, actually the one that I have on this one, because I love the way silver looks against Pandora Rose. But I have an idea of how I'm going to style this too if I don't leave this one plain. I'm probably not going to leave this one plain. I am probably going to add charms to it as well. So let's zoom in for a closer look at my ideas for both of these bracelets. So here's a closer look at my Pandora Charmed Life inspired bracelet. This bracelet came about by accident actually. I knew when I got these Pandora logo charms that I wanted to put them on the mesh bracelet, but I originally thought this would go on the Pandora Rose and the Pandora Rose would go on the silver. But as I was testing out how I wanted to wear these bracelets, I had the field of flowers on this mesh bangle and I had the fairy tale blooms on here, and I really liked the way it looked adding a Murano to this piece. So as I was playing around with my work inspired bracelet, these were two charms that that weren't able to fit on the new design of my work-inspired bracelet, but they're ones that I love. And the Encased with Love with Cerise Crystal is just so beautiful. And I love the sparkle in the Fairy Tale Blooms charm too. There is a dark pink, almost cerise looking like color on this field of flowers as well. So I thought all three would complement each other beautifully. Since this is technically a fairy tale charm and this is technically a fairy tale bloom charm, I wanted them to go together. So there you have it. This is my Pandora Charm Life Me inspired bracelet with the Pandora O crown. I do feel like I'm a Pandora queen with how much I collect, and it is my last name. The fairy tale charms on here really represent living the life you want to live, right? Don't live by anybody else's rules, live by your own. And then the Encased in Love really just helps complement the colors on this bracelet. So, by accident, I present to you my Pandora Charmed Life Mesh Bangle. I also talked about how these bracelets just go beautifully on their own, right? You don't even have to put a bangle on there. They look beautiful stacked with other bracelets. But I do like having a little something on these bracelets. So here's my thought, and you guys tell me what you think. I usually don't like to put, Pandora Rose on Pandora Rose. I don't think it stands out, right? If you look at that, it's pretty, but it doesn't stand out. This would have stood out better on a silver bracelet, but what I'm thinking is adding the Pandora signature clips on here. So if I put that one there, and this one here, maybe spread it out a little bit. I think the silver helps bring a little pop to it. What do you think? So this bracelet design is a little bit more simple, right? It's literally just one centerpiece and two clips. And I think it'll complement stacking together with other bracelets. I'm a huge fan, you guys. I don't know why it took me so long. I guess it didn't take me that long, but usually I like anything that Pandora puts out new, and I do feel like I was a little bit late to the game for the mesh bangles. What do you think of my designs? Do you like them? I am like really excited that I have one that I've named my Pandora Charmed Life. I think it's perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And then this one just kind of being plain on its own. Alright, so do I recommend mesh bangles? Absolutely, give them 2 thumbs ups. I think they're fantastic. I'm really happy I finally got them. Thank you so much for watching. And now I want to hear from you. What do you think of Pandora's mesh bracelets? Do you have one? Do you absolutely despise them? Or have you not really thought about it and now maybe you want to go take a look? If you do have a mesh bracelet, do you wear them plain or do you put charms on it? Let me know in the comments below. As always, thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Would love to hear from you. Don't forget to leave a comment, and if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. Click that little notification bell so you know the next time I post my next video. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.
I'm just gonna brush Marshall's teeth with that.
Okay. Oops, I don't see my face. Can't see my face. I'm probably not going to, jeez.